you know, like wood stick, and then push it back, back to make sure that is going to separate all the dead skin for you, so then you can able to clean the dead skins is so much better. And then when you place your gel extensions on, it going to be really nice and really close to the cuticles without making a huge gap. So I'm gonna do change my beads and then get into one of the cuticle beads right here, and it's gonna go really close in the details without really aggressive and hurting or damage to the nail plates at all. It's going to be really like gently on and remove all the cuticles. Sorry, I was really in it, and then I said, okay, might as well, we're going live. So it's me and Mika. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hope you all have a fabulous Tuesday. So it's great, and this is, I'm going to show you just in case of everyone just tuning in. I using the 180 degrees sanding band, and then this the cuticle beads from 10 pieces from the E5 beads. Okay, so move on the side and dust all of this off. Shape, you know, the nails, even the nails as you prefer, as you need it, and then using the lens-free wipe off with the 99% alcohol to remove all the dust. What I'm going to doing is gel extension. A lot of you were asking for a lot of nail techs who is going to introduce this to your menu, to your salons. I would say, you know, definitely is a great additional service for your salon. If you haven't gotten hands on it, give it a try. Because the clients like say, what if they don't want to do a dipping, they don't want to do a liquid and powder, they don't want to do a regular gel polish, they want to get something in between. This going to be is absolutely perfect for your salon. You know, it's also is really nice and strong. I never think is I like it that much, but actually it's really efficiency. You can able to get a lot of set done, and also it's not like you are cheating. I wouldn't think this is another good techniques that you can definitely offer for your client. So now I am going to do the coffins action long. There are 8 different shapes. There's a coffin medium, coffin long, coffin action long, and also the dimensions of the length of the nails is on the official website, so you can check it out and see what you prefer. And there are the stiletto medium, stiletto long, and stiletto action long as well. That's the shape that we have. And then also almonds mediums and almonds long. I think that's the 2 one we have. Yeah. I do like those shape a lot. So there are come in 12 size, like a half size. So then you can really get in variety, and a lot of the clients like, oh my god, it's just too small or too big. So this is actually is going perfect for the nails. So when you are going to pick their size 0 to size 11, so like half size, so you are going to make sure that when you sizing the tips, this is the highest quality of the iHo gel extension. I just banned it to for you to seeing it. It's just like is the quality of the tips that you're never seeing the white marks on it, because it's just the highest the quality, so premium quality is possible. And it's so strong to the point you're weighing it, you feel like you are weighing. I know it's hard to explain though. You have to weighing it to feel the difference, because it's really solid and it's strong. So we are going to place right on the cuticles areas of the tip right here, and like kind of place it closer, like right underneath of the cuticles, and then you're gonna check it on the from a sidewall to the sidewall. So make sure if it missing the part of it like this, it means that it might be too small. you might want to go on one side bigger. If you are going a little bit on the side right here, off on the sidewalls, mean that it might be too big. You're gonna shape it on the sides, or you might get one size smaller. So this is same, like really perfect. So we're gonna size all of them. I already sized all of them for Mika nails, and then here is she getting size 0 set here, and that ones I already have putting the tips on already. But then I'm gonna go in and then get this one, like here is size 0. Want to put it on the side right there, and then it's size 1, and then I have all of them sized already. I just want to show you how you can size it. I'm gonna do another one, and this is size 4, and then we're gonna do it again. Place it close to the cuticles right here, and then check it from a side wall to the side wall. You see that how cool it this is, like even it have a structure and an apex for you. So then when you apply the gel extension on, it will help to definitely build the apex already. So in before you start, we are going to turn it on the upside down. I'm gonna apply the base gels. So here's, let me show you the essential that you are going to, just really simple. That's what you are going to need and use it for your gel extension. You don't need any others fancy fufu things. So this is primer, base gels, and tip extension glue gels, and a no web top coat. So I'm gonna using a base gels on the tips and put the right underneath. So where you are going to place and apply your on the nails, that's where you're gonna place your base gels. So base gels, apply really thin coat. We don't need to adjust the nails at all, avoiding it edging too much and then thinning it too much of the tips. And okay, 10 seconds. And in the meantime, we're waiting for the nails to cure for 10 seconds. So do all 10 nails. If you size them all and do all 10 nails and cure them all. And then on the nails, we are gonna get all of them out. So this is size 0s for the thumb. This is size 1 for the middle fingers. And then this is size 4 for the index. 9 for the pinky. And 4 for ring finger. Perfect. So we already did all the base gels on the nails. And then now we're gonna go ahead and using primer. So we are going to apply the primers on the natural nails. So where I'm at, I can't even see. To balance the pH level, dehydrated, and then just remove all the oil from my natural nails. I see some fur in there. Oh, what about if we encapsulate fur in your nails? We should get some different colors.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good idea, huh?
That's a cute idea.
You say, oh, okay. All right, so after that, we are going to do all 10 nails. If you do all 10 nails, and then after that, we are going to using the base gels. Okay. And we're gonna using the base gels and apply this all and tie the 10 nails, and we are going to do a really thin coat. It touches you. Are you on the phone? No? Where's your phone?
Right here.
Oh. That?
I just don't want it to get in the way.
Oh, okay. She's enjoying it. Okay, Mika. All right. Here for 10 seconds only. Use the base gels. If you are the nail technicians or going to be a nail technicians or doing it your nails, this is, if you haven't get chance to have a hands on this, just my opinion that you're probably missing out something. It's really cool here. All right, so now we're gonna see that. So now this is basically, I'm always explaining, it's like a sandwich. So now when you put gel extensions, glue gels on, is going to be like have a sandwich between. So then it's not only adheres your nails and also the tip together. And it's also, you don't have to worry about is had anything that could affecting underneath and on the natural nails. It's not going to. All right, so let's using the tip extension glue gels, really thick density, and building it for special for our gel extension. So I'm gonna apply just like a foamed bead on the close to the cuticles edges, and then we are going to place it on. Make sure you get your flashlight ready. Okay, you can turn it on. And then just whenever. And I also have the videos that show you if you're not having anyone that's holding for your lamp. You can definitely using the clamps that I show you on the video. So now we are going to do is to place 45-degree angle and then place closer the cuticle right here. And then slowly, gently press down. Don't do too aggressive and don't move or like ask your client to be just really stay still for a second. Because if they move or you moving, your nails gonna be shifted it and the gel is gonna go all over everywhere. Especially when you're doing it first or second time, just take your time and get it slow, like 45-degree angle, and slide down instead of press it so fast, because the gel extension is going to wherever you let it go. So if you press it too fast, and all the gel is going to squeeze out like, oh my God, where I'm going. And they're going to go north, they're going to go south, they're going to go like east, and they're going to go west because they don't know where to go and they just go wherever. So if you guide it from 45-degree angle from the cuticles all the way down, and you'll see that how is a solid is already in there. And then we're going to completely full cure when all 5 nails or 10 nails, like we do 5 nails first and then do the next 5 nails. So moving on, the next one. And again, tip extension glue gels. Pick up the foam beads. As you see that I add a little bit more. However, I don't squeeze it all the way down or press it too close, too down, because the reason it is I want to give it a little bit thickness and build the apex for her. You good, babe? Wait. Is okay, so again, 45-degree angle. I am still under the camera. And then make sure you are getting the tip straight away, and you can hold like one hand hold right here on the left or the right, or whatever hand you're the dominant hand for you. So we're gonna go and slide all the way down. I mean, press it down gently. Don't go too aggressive, because if you're doing it too fast, again, the gel is going to squeeze it out everywhere. Okay, and you start feeling it solid, huh? Look at that. You chalk my nails and my nails glow in the dark.
That's what I was looking at.
Okay, press down more in there. You know what? I add some more gel extension on, so then your apex, it like leap it up. It's really cool though. Awesome. Did you know that? So it's not flat at all. Like right there. So you hold about maybe 10 seconds. And it will able to kiss really nicely for you, and it feels solid. And then you can completely like a full cure after you're done. So moving on the next one. Again, we're gonna add some more gel extension. So tip extension glue gel is gonna add it on. Just right in the cuticle area. This is your the fingers you are holding the pens with, yeah? So 45-degree angle, slowly down. My voice must be really soothing. That's why it's like feels so like hold down, down, down. And hold for about 10 seconds. I'm gonna clean it up later. Moving on, the next one. You see how fast it is? Like really, really quick and fast, and it's so solid. And moving on, the rings fingers. We're almost done for the new set. And about phone beads. Here for 1 second. Good. Is the nail too far away? Okay, good. Okay. And then going to the next one, the rings finger. Close to the cuticles. And gently press it down. Now you can cure it. I see my nails glow in the dark. Okay. And then the last one. So far, so good. And about phone beads for the pinky. Again, I'm gonna lay the pinky and then hold one fingers down here on the fingers, and then you can able to gently press down. And hold tight for about 10 seconds. Just don't like move, or don't leave the tip ups. Just hold still. So then it's can able to adhere as well when you are keying it. Still hold tight. Awesome. Fabulous. Now we are going to key completely for 60 seconds.